Vacuum. 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 That is loud. It's gonna overpower my music on my phone. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh dear. That is not good. Oh gosh. It's a lion in it. It's a lion. Close your windows, close your doors. I'm gonna vacuum. I got it. It's gonna make. Oh, that's scary. You're literally stepping on the popcorn and making it. What are you doing? Just a motorized vacuum would be amazing. There's one way back there. Yeah, just suck that in. And there's one back there. See it? See it, guys? Do you see that little speckle? See that little speckle? See. I see. I'm not done yet. Oh, he's getting out the chair. Oh, dear. Flipping it over. This is what we're doing. This is not a vlog, because it's going to have music. This is just a motorized Rocco I made. Just jumping over. Just jumping over Tennessee. Oh, it's gonna start up again. Put your feet up, everybody. There's something down. Oh dear.